Okay, so this video I'm going to show you how to enter data, the data that you collected, into SPSS. And this is the data collection assignment that you have. You can see we want you to collect data for at least 20 cases on each of 3 variables. For the dichotomous variable, that's a group variable, you need at least 10 cases in each category. So that would be like if you're comparing men and women, you need at least 10 men and at least 10 women. And the other 2 variables are measured on interval ratio scales. So say we're collecting height and weight for men and women. So we would need to collect the height for all, say, 10 men and all 10 women, and then we need to collect the weight for all 10 men and all 10 women. And you've collected that data, and you're going to enter it into SPSS. So you open up SPSS, and this is what you do. You go to File, New, Data. And if you look on this, you'll see down here, there's variable view. This will show you the variables, and data view. This will show you the data. And this is just like a regular spreadsheet. So there's a couple ways of entering the variable names. You can go to variable view, and you can enter it here, say gender, like that. And then you can go over to label and say male and female, and then you can go to values. This will help you to remember which value you gave to which gender, because you need to enter numbers in SPSS, not words. So say 1 is female, add. Let's say 0 is male, add, and OK. Now let's go over to gender and say you have 10 males. They'll each get a value of 0 for gender. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are your 10 male cases. And the females all get a value of 1. Like that. 10 male cases, 10 female cases. Your first categorical variable, if you double click, if you're in the data view and you double click up at the top, it'll take you to the variable view. See how it switched to variable view? And we're going to say height, and over here we'll say height in inches. You don't need to add values here because the numbers you enter will be the values. And your other variable is weight, and we're going to say weight in pounds. Now we're going to go back to the data view, and for the males, the height in inches, we're going to start entering. So the first person is 6 feet 5 inches. Second person is first person's 5 feet 5 inches. Next person 6 feet tall. Next person is 5'11". Next person is 5'8". Next person is 6'4", and so on. Those are the 10 male heights. Women on average tend to be shorter, so we'll enter their heights, 65, that's the same as the first male. Okay, those are the heights of the men, heights of the women. Then we'll do weights in pounds. And then we'll do weights in pounds for the women. Okay, that is all of the data entered. That's for the dichotomous variable, the first interval ratio variable, the second interval ratio variable. And then you need to save this data set that you have created. I'll just save it in my documents. Like that. And you're done. That's it. Then there'll be another video to show you how to analyze the data.